especially believe for this national park, given our location next to two urban areas, our park ought to be welcoming to all people and be a place where all people can find a sense that this is their national park. But when we've done our research and our look at our statistics, our visitation by persons of color is quite low. And we had to ask that question, why is it?
So our mission is really, in essence, just to bridge the gap between the community and our national park. We are the face of park users. And we want to make sure that as we're evolving as an organization, that diversity, equity, and inclusion is reflected on all levels.
This work is, while hard work, some of the most exciting work of my career, because I'm starting to see us turn in the way we think about the environment. Access to a clean environment and a healthy environment is a real justice issue and such a critical issue for the future of Northeast Ohio.
One of the gaps between the work that we do in the community is that we didn't have an identifiable language, and without that language, it was challenging to develop connections within those specific communities. So our work centered around environmental justice, health, equity, and education, we've been able to really solidify partnerships that we can walk alongside to increase the visibility of the Conservancy.
We work very closely with the Cleveland Municipal School District, Akron Public Schools, and surrounding school districts. And we do the work partly to introduce children to National Park. We realize many children in Northeast Ohio, this may be their only National Park experience. But we also work to provide quality education for our schools, and we believe that learning about the environment and learning about protecting natural resources is a right of all children.
We recognize that as we're looking to evolve as an organization and diversify our workforce, we needed to do better in our diversity recruitment and retention efforts. And so as a result, we are able, with the funding and support from Cleveland Foundation, to launch our pipeline program where we are giving opportunities to students from different backgrounds, particularly from historically Black colleges and universities and other local institutions, to provide them with the firsthand opportunity for meaningful employment within the Conservancy.
The Cleveland Foundation has long been a funder of the work in Cuyahoga Valley National Park. I'd like to say that those early leaders of the Cleveland Foundation were right. This park attracts a lot of people, a lot of out-of-state tourists. It's one of the amenities that people living in Cleveland talk about often as a resource for them. And I really appreciate that the present-day leaders of the Cleveland Foundation help us be better at what we do, push us to be more accessible to more people, help us think creatively about the work that we do. They really are thought leaders, and we appreciate having them help us be better as a nonprofit organization.